Hi, morning. My name is Sim. Going to share with you how to use the two more new commands that created. One is called convert polyline with art segment to a line segment. The command is called plxln or segas. And okay, so most of the time you have a boundary which contain an art and polyline. So in this layer, let's say we have an issue that we need to break it and then join it back, convert the art to a line, and then join all the boundary back to become all a line segment. So in this case, you don't need now. I have created a new command here. Just click on this, but you need to choose the polyline, not an art. You need to specify the angle for the line to be created on the art. So if you want to accurate quality of straight line on the art, then you can set below 5. But in our case here, I think 20 is just nice. Means when the angle of the art more than 20 degrees, they will create a line. Okay. Once you press enter, you can see this art have changed to line. Okay. Just now we set 20, right? Now let's say we set 30 or 35 for this particular object here. Okay, I repeat the command plxln or segln. Okay, now I pick this particular polyline. Okay, ask me for 20, I say 35. Let's see what's the difference between 35. This is 35. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line created. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After we set to 30, but this guy have more smooth curve. So you can easily now convert your polyline to become with the art become the line. Okay, another command that we're going to assign to use is called BSS. Okay, you are familiar with the BSS. Once you have BSS, if you use the BSS create boundary based on color coding. Okay, example, I'm going to put a house. Okay, I call it townhouse. Okay, this color code 1, 2, 2. I'm going to assign it here, my townhouse. Okay, I don't want to have that. So I have what the system will do is actually retrace another polyline on top of it. Okay, let's move this particular guy, the hatch, away. The hatch. There is actually 2 polyline I created, I think. Okay. There's another one here. Never mind. Okay. So just look at this polyline here. You can find the information of this polyline by text GP. Okay, pick on the boundary. It's a townhouse. Okay, RS106. Okay, if you want to change it, okay, this actually 2 polyline here. Okay, we can just move this guy out of the way. Okay, because it create 1. Sometimes you already have one this townhouse. You need to change it to different. You make a mistake, so then you can use BSS. Edit and assign color coding to existing boundary. Okay. Now I know it's still a house, but it's no more townhouse. It's called maybe longhouse, kampung. Okay, and then you pick on this particular. You change to from townhouse to longhouse. I also want this to be a longhouse also. This also to pick on the polyline, not pick on the center already, because you are editing. So once done, I just escape. I can just move all this, erase this thing. I can read this guy SGP. Longhouse, huh? Same for this particular guy. Pick in the middle, it becomes a longhouse. This guy is still a townhouse. Here, okay, it's a townhouse. So these are the 2 commands. Very useful if you want to follow the color coding, and also you want to convert your polyline with the art, especially at the car park area, internal, or your plot boundary. Okay, the system also clever enough. When you create this 2 polyline here, the BSSA also, it actually automatically assign to a plot boundary. If it's a road, it will automatically assign to a plot road boundary. Okay, by default, this is ESPA hatch layer. Let me show it to you. Okay, it's this. We use PSSA. Okay, I'm going to convert it to house also. Now I'm going to use a commercial house. Okay, so I just need to choose this guy, it become commercial house. Okay, escape. Okay, and if you look at the boundary here, this polyline that I choose is actually just remove this one. So this polyline that is already a plot boundary automatic change from just now ESPA BH layer. ESPA BH, it becomes the plot boundary because the system, if it's a plot road, you automatically change the plot road layer. Right? So thanks. These are the things that I'm going to share with you today. So that's all. Thank you.